Hi everyone! We have talked about the ProtOn wedge in our first video, and now we will talk about the next new tool, the ProtOn Air. This combined wedge and hot air welder is used for overlap welding of membranes for tunnel and civil engineering application. Because the ProtOn Air operates with hot air and contact, it's especially for PVC, PE and thin materials. The welding range on PVC is 0.5 to 3 mm. Because the ProtOn Air has a stainless steel nozzle, it's perfect for PVC. It's also ideal for thin material. 0.5 mm is no problem. If you have reinforced material, you can even weld material with 0.3 mm thickness. Before we can start welding, we need to find out the pressure point 0. For that, we open the pressure lever to have enough space. Then we put in 2 pieces of our material. We close the machine and turn the adjustment screw until we can feel a slight scratching on the surface of the material. Now we have the pressure point 0. The next step is now to adjust the pressure we need. In our example, we have PVC reinforced material in 2 mm thickness, which needs approximately 600 Newton pressure. One step on the adjustment screw is 150 Newton. This means we need 4 steps to get to 600 Newton. Never go over 1200 Newton. If you do, you will have mechanical damages on the tool in a short time. When you receive the ProtOn Air from BIK, we will adjust everything for PVC reinforced material 2 mm thickness. Now we can move on and turn on the machine. We plug it in and switch the main switch on. We can adjust the temperature with the controller. Just go to your desired temperature with the buttons. The temperature is adjustable from 0 to 550 degrees. In our example, we work with PVC reinforced 2 mm and we want to weld pretty fast. So we choose a temperature of 520 degrees and we turn it on. We adjust the speed to 2 meters per minute with the potentiometer. The speed maximum is 5 meters per minute. You can also adjust the airflow of the ProtOn Air. If you have thicker material and want to weld fast, turn the airflow to the max. If you have thinner material, you can turn the airflow down. In our example, we will need the maximum airflow. Here we have 2 fuses for the drive and the heater. This is a protection for the machine. Before you start welding, you always need to do a test welding. We will do that right now. The test welding went well. Now you can start to do the welding. If you always weld with the same material, you only have to do all the adjusting we did earlier once. But we recommend doing the test welding every day before you start welding again. The frame of the ProtOn Air is very strong and made for construction site. With the ProtOn Air, you have a strong and reliable helper for your jobs. The ProtOn Air has a hot air blower on the side that you slide in. It's a combined system, wedge and hot air, but the heat is produced by the hot air blower. If you have dirt, sand or water in the membrane, the ProtOn Air is the perfect machine for you. The blower will blow the dirt, sand or water away and you can weld without a problem. One amazing feature is the GPS tracking. In every ProtOn Air you purchase, you have an integrated GPS tracker. With this tracker, you can check the location of your machine. Once it's plugged in and also for approximately 2 hours after it's plugged out. You can check the location via our brand new My BIK app. We will start to add even more features to the app soon, so be sure to check it out. Then we have this nice sticker here, which means that the ProtOn Air is 100% produced in Switzerland. 100% Swiss quality made in our facility in Kearns or Welding, with our employees who work every day to provide you with the best machines and, equally important, the best service. The new ProtOn Air is available now. Send us an email for a quote.